In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Amazon Prime Video. First, you'll want to open Prime Video and sign into your Amazon account. This step is crucial because only signed-in users can access the full range of features. Once you have the Prime Video homepage in front of you, take a moment to look around. You'll see a variety of featured titles and categories. Signing in ensures you can find all the content available to you through your Prime membership. If you haven't signed in yet, it's easy to do. Just enter your email and password and you'll gain access to a world of movies and shows. Next, click the search box, which is represented by a magnifying glass icon located at the top of the page. This box is your gateway to discovering exactly what you want to watch. When you click on it, you'll see an empty field where you can type. This action is important because it allows you to narrow down the vast library of content available on Prime Video to find exactly what interests you. Now, type the title, actor, director, or genre you're looking for in that search box. You can be specific, like entering a movie name, or more general, like typing a genre such as comedy or drama. As you type, suggestions may automatically pop up in a drop-down list, offering titles that closely match your text. This feature helps streamline your search, making it easier to find what you want quickly. It's a great way to explore options you might not have considered initially. After entering your search term, press Enter or select a suggestion from the drop-down list. This action triggers the search, and you will immediately see a list of results related to your inquiry. It's satisfying to see the titles appear as it means you are one step closer to your viewing experience. Each title will usually come with a brief description, helping you decide if it's what you want to watch. Next, browse the search results and click the movie or TV show you want to open. Take your time to look through the options. You might see thumbnails of the titles alongside their ratings and release years. This visual aspect is engaging and helps in making a quick decision. Clicking on a title will take you to its dedicated page where you can see more details, including cast information and episode listings if it's a series. If you only want content included with your Prime membership, you'll want to filter your search results. This ensures you only see titles that you can watch without any additional fees. It's a handy way to save time and avoid disappointment when you find a title that isn't included in your membership. After searching, use the Ways to Watch filter. This filter will usually be located on the left sidebar of your search results page. By selecting Included with Prime, you effectively hide titles that require an additional rental or purchase. This little step saves you a lot of time later, allowing you to focus solely on what is available to you through your subscription. If you don't see a search bar when you open Prime Video, don't panic. Refresh the page or reopen the Prime Video website to see if that resolves the issue. Sometimes, a quick refresh can fix minor glitches. Make sure you're on the Prime Video website, not the main Amazon shopping page. This is a common oversight and can lead to confusion. If you still can't find the search bar, consider trying another supported browser. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also help if the search bar is still missing. By following these troubleshooting tips, you will enhance your experience and ensure you can find the content you desire.